Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net, taking a look at top 12 best high frequency trading software. Um, this isn't really high frequency trading. These people think it is, but it's not, but I thought I'd just showed you anyways. Today's the 3rd of September. I'm still here in London, UK. Out of here and on my way to Switzerland for a full-on month. Be returning back to everything October 7th, 2024. Anyways, so this website here, rankred.com, got some interesting brokers here that you might think might be worthwhile. First one here is Lime Brokerage, so we're going to go in reverse order. Again, the name of the article here is 12 best high frequency trading HFT software as of 2024. So as I said, Lime Broker is an interesting one, but I didn't know this. Things have changed over the years. Minimum deposit, $1,000. So that's all you need to do, be part of this exchange. I thought it was a lot more than that. Commissions are fairly low, you can see here. They focus on, let's see here. I don't know if it's US only. They do have low latency execution, direct market access, which is pretty good. Your account value must be at least 2,000. So that's for the margin account. Under 1,000 trading capability ceases until equity is raised. Liquidation only orders. So we have here options, stocks, and ETFs. I'm going to assume that's stock, options of stock as well. So it's not going to be either futures and options market, but it's supposed to be institutional level. So you have here performance management reporting integrated with risk management tools, 90 plus analysis and drawing tools. This looks like a platform. Now this would be the interesting one, is the API mobile application. Execute 10 billion trades and 21 billion shares in 2022. This is one of the smaller ones according to this website. Then I've got one here I've never heard of, Redline, based on number of trading servers and managers requested. So they do pretty well everything: equities, options, futures, FX, fixed income, and crypto. So it uses an AWS. Well, I'm sure a lot of these are using one of the big three providers of Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. So these are all the execution. I don't go into detail in here, but I'm just kind of going over this with you. Minimal operational costs. Take the trade performance. Pre-trade risk analysis. This would be useful as well. You can do that in your software that you develop. Be doing that once I get back in October. The C++ HFT course. So what I'm speaking about would be here under the Learn tab, quantlabsnet.com. You can sign up and get involved in that and get the newsletter announcing when that starts again, almost just over a month from now. Coming back to this article, so it is a platform. You can test your strategies against simulation of exchange matching engines, and so on and so forth. Provides 24-hour coverage, US, UK, and Singapore. InfoReach HiFREQ. Okay, so this is more institutional now. 10,000 per month for up to 10 users. So once you get into this level, things will get much pricier. You can deploy HFT strategies for equity, futures, options, and FX trading. Execute tens of thousands of orders at sub-millisecond latency. This is one of the rare ones. Open broker neutral technology. Yeah, you want broker neutral, no bias, no trading desks that you got to operate against or market making. This means you can create and deploy your strategies no matter how complex they are, and access algos developed by other brokers and third-party vendors. If you know about this, let me know. I'd be interested to hear about it in the comments. Any of the experiences that you have with any of these. So sub-second, millisecond latency, that's very rare to find. Open scalable architecture, risk management, comprehensive reporting, back testing. So it has access to 250 global networks, and InfoReach's internal low latency. So you got here the fixed protocol available, quick access to a broad range of market and trading venues. Here we go. So it's now getting into big boy pricing. The base price is usually $10K a month for up to 10 users. Each additional user is $1,000. So if you have, let's say, I'm assuming a subscriber is built around a strategy or a bot for each API access, probably what it means. Here's another one, Iress Trading Platforms. This is a JeffNet trading platform, Australian-based. Real-time market data analytic. Execute trades quickly. They have their own data centers near major exchanges. That's usually cloud on one of the big three. Historical real-time data across asset classes, fixed income, equity, future, options, and foreign exchange. So you can see a lot of these aren't crypto. You have to stick with a major crypto exchanges, probably like Kraken, Coinbase, Binance if you have access to that. 200 normalized market data feeds, 145 exchanges, 19 data points of presence. So that's probably meaning that's what makes it lower latency. Historical data on demand, you'll probably pay for that quite a bit. Managing software solutions. According to the website, about 9,000 financial services use Iress software to perform better, make more profit. But again, remember, this is Australian based. FlexTrade. Let's see here. They do multi-asset execution management and order management systems. And here you can do fixed income, futures, options, and FX markets, equity, smart order routing. You can get that with interactive brokers. We'll see that in a minute. Algo trading, real-time analytics, and advanced tools to optimize trade execution. Customizable pre and post-trade analytics. The pre is what I find very useful. Market data-driven short-term alpha forecast. Now remember, alpha is profiting above the average, like a S&P 500 or something like that. Backtested days worth of data in 30 seconds. Platform supports 400 algo trading mechanisms developed for different market scenarios. So this is kind of like, it sounds like a canned system of all these different algo trading strategies built in. Orders automatically execute. FlexTrade operate globally. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Now we have TradeStation. TradeStation is interesting, but it is for retail traders. So now a broker. Has been a broker for a while, I should say. So here we have zero commission, $1.50 per contract per side, depending upon the asset. Is that $1.50 or $1.50? I think it's $1.50. It has to be. Micro future options. Most people trade the micro future, stock options, stock and ETF. Again, you can do all that with interactive brokers and ETFs. My current solution, I can help people get up and running on the algo trading. No coding needed, is with stock and ETF on TradingView using interactive brokers. It's a good broker. So they've been around since '82. Various trading tools. As I said, we've talked about there. You got cryptocurrency as well. I think they're U.S. only. I can't get access to them from Canada. That I know. I think they might be available in UK as well. Market scanning tools, advanced order management, scanning to identify. Okay, we'll leave it at that for that one. Now we have NinjaTrader. This is the platform, so you can see here the cost. These are the broker, 35 cents for a micro, $1.29 per standard contract, no monthly fee. So this is not very good unless you're a big trader. Reduces the monthly cost on the exchanges, the exchange fee, and then you have the lifetime. So really drops it down if you're willing to pay that $14.99. Again, that's NinjaTrader. Not a big fan of NinjaTrader. I find a lot of bugs in the software. I don't know how it is now, but if they put out versions with bugs, I don't know if that can be said currently in the date I've stated here on September 3rd, 2024. Advanced analytic tools. Yeah, you get that in most platforms, all this stuff. Third-party ecosystem, simulate trading environment, blah, 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 blah. Nothing new there. You can leverage thousands of third-party technical indicators, strategies, and applications. Create custom trading setup. You can do the same, but hundreds of thousands on TradingView. So you might want to take a look at TradingView. For small traders, provides 50-day margin for micro contracts and 500 margin for popular futures markets. Okay, so the next two are definitely institutional. You can see here, this is now Virtu. They're transparent, talent, blah, 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 blah. Execution service, all these different types of institutional. Use them, 2,000 clients, family office, asset managers, mutual fund, hedge funds, corporate issue, retail. They are pretty big. So they're, as I said, 2.3 billion. Advanced technology and quant trading. I don't know if they do their own trading as well. Reliable trading systems that they have. They've developed reliable trading system connectivity to exchanges. This is a very big HFT shop. Now, this is where it gets interesting here. They range from a set of services from block and dark pool trading. Used to have to go through banks for that, and I have to have millions of in an account for that. Algo trading in 25,000 securities and 235 plus venues. So if you want to go institutional level, you might want to check this Virtu out. So they have data scientists, quant researchers, experienced developers, innovative, blah, 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 blah. Global connectivity, all the standard stuff, market insight. So yeah, they're publicly traded. In fact, sometimes, rarely. But yeah, you could see my system will pick up Virtu as a stock itself. Now, here's the big one. This is Citadel. So you can see here, team members who hold advanced degrees. I don't know what the importance of this is, but they're fairly sophisticated. PhDs across 45 fields of study: computer engineering, bio, information, geophysics, 70 nationalities, 7.5 billion. This is Ken Griffin's firm that he founded. They provide liquidity, market making. That's a big one, just so you know that they do a lot of the buying up the flow of Robinhood, hint, hint. Across various asset classes, fixed income, equity, options, and foreign exchange. Largest market making companies in the world. It is the largest in the world. Advanced trading technologies to offer competitive prices and execute trades efficiently. Now, I can't say if this is it is a legit company from a brand name perspective. If they don't work against you, I don't know. But be aware. Facilitate smooth functioning of financial markets by quoting bid and ask prices, providing liquidity to buyers and sellers. So they're the in-between. Sophisticated trading infrastructure, that is true. High-speed connectivity, robust tech platforms. Okay, so here's how big they are. 36% of listed retail volume is executed through Citadel. So that, again, as I said, that is going, including big brokers, Schwab, I think. And what's the other one I just mentioned? Robinhood, and quite a bit. So they're active in 50 plus markets, 463 billion in trades executed per day. That is crazy. So again, they got deeper insights in the market because they're that big. They have liquidity dynamics, trading patterns, and market trends. So that's on the inside. That's probably as advanced, maybe more advanced than what Bloomberg the terminal could give you. Company treats market problems as scientific questions. That's typical King Griffin. Quants analyze patterns from and form hypotheses. So that's when they're looking for patterns. Defining ideas with mathematical precision. If data supports a hypothesis, they develop a large-scale strategy to implement those ideas. That's probably not very often. But here they're regulated to the teeth. So here's some of the other platforms. These are brokers, really. I don't know this one, Stellar. Various trading techniques and asset classes. Must be a platform. Trading equities, futures, options, fixed income, foreign exchange, commodity, front-end software, fast order entry with a high degree of flexibility, allows standard trading screens, price ladder, grid view, blah, blah, blah. Offload complexity and workload on the trading process onto servers. This is more cloud-based, but that's pretty standard now, that type of architecture. Freeing the front end to focus solely on trader interaction and fast order execution. Intuitive front end, pre, post, risk control, comprehensive, back testing, integrated, complex event processing. Again, I don't know this one. There's a bunch of newer ones that I'll never know. So you got leg orders, balance, intermarket, spread, trading strategy. Also create custom trading screens and configure notification and alerts. So again, I don't know that one. This one I know, CQG. These are fairly old school, but there's your price right there, $600 a month, but you get a 2-week trial. High performance trading and analytics tool for professionals, brokers, and institutions. So this is another big one that I know of. Real-time market data, advanced charting, order entry, market, risk management, portfolio tracking, automated trading. So that's kind of standard in a lot of other platforms. Historical real-time market data from global exchanges covering equity, future options, and Forex. You get depth of market, that's useful. Streaming quotes, obviously that's useful. Time and sale. Detailed chart to make data-driven decisions. View market depth information, that would be very useful. Risk and account monitoring. Expert level option analysis. And then, I don't know if this includes canned auto trading strategies. So I don't know if there's a programming language with this platform. Same with this other one called Sterling. Sterling, yeah, I know that platform. A lot of brokers use that, like for white label, especially the prop firms use it. That's nothing unusual. Again, that's Sterling I'm talking about, or Stellar. Maybe it's Stellar I might be thinking, but there was one called Sterling. Okay. So here allows you strategies. So this is still now CQG. Test strategy before implementing them in a live market. Again, that's standard platform like entry, signal, evaluator, trade, system optimizer, test your ideas. There is a proprietary language called Formula. Yeesh. You want to work with popular stuff. Like I said, I like doing C++. As I said, I've got an ebook here if you want to learn more about the high frequency trading stuff. Just opt in, go there. And again, that's under learn@quantlabsnet.com. Kind of this, so they provide high quality market data. Been around for 4 decades. Now, we got the granddaddy that I use. I think this is the last one. Yeah. Okay. So interactive brokers here. They do everything: stocks, futures, options, bond, currency, and funds up to 150 plus market worldwide. Actually, it's a lot higher than that. It's really good. They got a new platform out. I can't remember the name of it. I've done a video on it. specific needs, numerous layouts, add windows, remove them, gradients, bars to spot patterns. So it's fairly sophisticated. Several sophisticated tools for market research, technical analysis, portfolio management. Advanced charting window for advanced help you precisely track price movement. That's probably either referring to I think it's just called Interactive Brokers Desktop. And they also have another one, the standard TWS, and then they have all their APIs available as well. So you do get up to the minute news. That's all for free. Create real-time alerts, paper trading, and accessible through web browsers and mobile devices. That's through a portal or through their mobile app. So it's Interactive Brokers Workstation, which is the TWS, Trader Workstation. Easier to evaluate options, position, calculate Greeks, visualize implied volatility. This is a big one. And analyze potential impact of market change on your option strategy. Again, so that's what we're going to focus on in this course I was talking about. Again, to get on that, you can just go to quantlabsnet.com, opt in under Learn, and opt in. You get a free ebook on the HFT, high frequency trading, and C++ programming. Okay, back to this. So there's not much more to add. I'll put this article in my blog post so you can read it. But I just want to talk about that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.